How to see one other viewers on Facebook story. So to see the other viewers on your Facebook story, then first of all you have to open up your Facebook application. And after opening your Facebook, now you can go to your story, and under your story you can find that other viewers on the bottom of the viewers. So let me tell you one thing, that we don't have that particular option to see that other viewers. So Facebook don't have that option yet. So what you can do is, to avoid that, you can simply go and open up your story and then go to the three dots icon, which is on the upper side. And now you can tap on edit story privacy, and now you can edit your privacy to friends, or you can also choose custom, and after choosing you can tap on save. And that's it. That's how you do it. And now you will not find the other viewers on your Facebook story. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.